Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I'm going to share Desk Sunan reviews of Canada and United States. In this video you will get to know about the legitimacy of the website. Friends, first let me tell you that this is not our website. So if you have never ordered anything from this website, then this video will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? And guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I will share the way to get your money back. So let's get started. This is the home page of the website, and over this website you can see that the products available are tops, dresses, shoes, bottoms and accessories. That too on very heavy discounts. Now let's proceed to know information related to payments. So during checkout, you will get to know that customers can pay through PayPal only. Let's check the shipping information now. So here we can see that it takes 1 to 3 days for the delivery of non-personalized products, while personalized products are delivered in 5 to 10 days. And friends, we can see that shipping cost varies from country to country. Before going further, friends, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe our channel because this will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos for our viewers. Now let's talk about those important points which will help us in checking the authenticity of the website. So guys, Desk Sunan is protected through HTTPS protocol and have SSL certification. Therefore, the information you send or get through the site is safe, which is a positive sign. And talking about the registration date of the domain name, so it was created on 24th July 2020. Now, let's have a look on About Us section to know more about this website. So here we can see that DeskSunan.com is covered with highly professional suppliers and production houses to offer high quality of products to its customers. Now let's proceed to check the way to contact them. So friends, here we can see that an email ID and company's address is provided where they have written that company's name is Melido Company Limited. So friends, we can see that they have stated incorrect company's address. Addition to this, friends, Desk Sunan lack presence on social media platform. Now let's have a look on return policies. So here we can see that their return policy lasts for 30 days and refund will be initiated within certain days. And guys, talking about Desk Sunan reviews, so over the internet we could not find even a single customer review, and one of the possible reason for this could be that the site is new, thus it is not much popular among the people. Addition to this, friends, the images of the products over the website are not unique, and almost 50% of the content over the website is copied because it matches with other website platform. Apart from this, the website Desk Sunan keeps on redirecting you on another shopping website, which is a negative sign. So based on these points, we would conclude that Desk Sunan is a highly suspicious website and possibly a scam. Friends, however, if you have ordered anything from this website, do share your Desk Sunan reviews in the comment section below because we read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting guys, and if you have any money related problems, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Friends, do not forget to like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe our channel and hit on the bell icon to get all the latest updates. Thank you guys, you have been a great audience. Stay safe, stay connected.